To use your face to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to register your face so that it can be used as an alternative screen lock. To do so, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD and then tap screen lock type. Enter your current screen lock. Under biometric section, tap face. A page content with some explanation about face recognition will appear. If needed, you can read it to understand it better. Tap continue to continue and then position your face in the area shown on the screen to register your face. Once the process is complete, you can customize the option for the face recognition. As example, you can set your phone to stay on lock screen until you swipe the screen while unlocking your phone with face recognition, or set your phone to only recognize your face when your eyes are open, and also set your phone to increase the screen brightness temporarily for a better recognition in a low light environment. Tap done button to save the change.
Yeah.
To unlock your phone with your face, hold your phone in portrait orientation and then glance at it to unlock your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.